y'all, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can wear color 3 ways on your face if you're really not used to wearing color, if you want to get into wearing color but you want something a little bit more subtle, like you don't want to go full throttle. So I thought I would show you 3 different ways that you can kind of incorporate color into your makeup looks, but like slowly but surely. So if you're not used to color but do want to like transition it into your makeup routine a little bit more, keep on watching. So the first one I'm going to show you is, of course, color on the lips. I think color on the lips is maybe one of the easiest ways that you can put color in your makeup routine, because if you think about it, a lip color is really not going to be that intense. So I'm going to show you 2 different bold lip colors. We're going to do a red color and also a purple color. I just feel like those colors are really easy to get into. So first I'm going to show you guys a purple bold lip, and you're going to need a lip liner. I'm going to be using MAC's Nightmoth lip liner, and this is just like a dark vampy purple color, and I'm going to use this to help line my lips. So it's a few reasons why I like to line my lips first before I go in with the lip color. I feel like a lip liner kind of helps the longevity of the lipstick, and then it also helps you kind of perfect the outer edges as well. And with some lip colors, it kind of gives like a nice ombre lip. And then I just kind of rub my lips together just to kind of marry that into the middle. So you see how I line my lips, but when you go like this, it kind of marries the color into the middle of it a little bit. That's going to help us as well. So for the purple lip, I'm going to be using MAC's Heroine. This is a matte color, and as you can see, I love this color so much. It's almost gone. So we're going to go ahead and apply this starting in the center of the lip. Then just fill in where you need more coverage with the lipstick. So there's my purple lip. As you can see, it's really not too out there. Super simple, not too out there, just perfect. So the next lip is going to be the red lip, and once again I'm going to use that same MAC Nightmoth lip liner, and I like to use this with my red lips because of the ombre factor that I mentioned earlier. So that pretty ombre from like the purple to the red looks really gorgeous to me, but if you didn't want like that whole ombre kind of lip situation, you could definitely opt for like a brown lip liner as well. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips once again, and I did re-moisturize my lips a little bit as well. For the red lip, we're going to be using my Sephora cream lip stain in the shade 01 Always Red.
I'm becoming the best at it and mastering myself and seeing what I have within me. If you decide to drop your bucket,
I don't know if you could tell, but I feel like some of the purple got lost. So I'm just going to take that lip liner again, kind of reapply it in the edges.
It's where you are and develop your gifts. I grant you, you'll never ever be without. I grant you that you'll...
So here is my red bold lip. I feel like bold lips are a great introduction into like more colorful makeup because it's really just lipstick, you know?
Gifts will take you places that...
So I went ahead and took the bold lip colors off because we're going to move into the second way that you can wear color on your face. Very subtle, like if you're not really used to it, is through your highlighter. I feel like highlighter is kind of underlooked. So the highlighter palette I'm going to be showing you guys this on is the Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit, and we're going to be using this because it has a lot of kind of duochrome-y, really colorful shades, as you can see. So we're going to be using 3 colors here on the cheeks as highlighter to show you guys. We're going to be using the purple color called Spectra, this blue shade called Orion, and we're also going to be using a little bit of Helia right here because it has like a cute little green cream reflex. All right, so first I'm going to dip into this color right here, Helix, put a little bit on, brush it off, and we're going to focus this more so on the inner cheek area. So we're going to do like a nice little gradient of color here on our cheek, and it's going to look really nice. Then the next shade we're gonna take is that blue shade called Orion. And we're gonna put that right next to the color we just put on, right? See the nice gradient of color, right? And don't worry, we're gonna blend it all together at the end, but you guys see what I'm talking about? And lastly, we're gonna take the purple shade called Spectra. So as you can see, we have like a nice gradient of color. You know, we go from that purple to that blue here to that cream. So I feel like this is just a really fun way to integrate color on the cheeks, and I feel like it's a way that's really overlooked, and I feel like it's so fun, and it's going to be really pretty when the sun hits it. So all I'm going to take is just a little beauty sponge just to go over this, just to make sure it's all blended out. And then there you have a nice colored highlighter look. As you can see, the sponge just made it look a little bit more natural, a little less streaky. So the third and last way I'm going to show you guys how you can incorporate color into your makeup look is through the eyeshadow, right? So I feel like eyeshadow is the most used color palette on our face, so I really wanted to show you like a quick one color eyeshadow look that you could do in no time, and it's going to look real subtle but also really cute. So the shade I'm going to show you guys this on is a Colourpop shade, and it's this blue shade called Formation. Just going to dip right into this shade here and go up like this, just because I have on a white shirt and I really don't want to get anything on it. Go all over the eyelid. It's okay if it gets in the crease, because this is the only color we're going to be using. And that's it. So all it took was one brush, one shadow, and that's it. I feel like this is one of the easiest ways you could like wear color on your eye. Now if you wanted to, you could add like a little light brown in a crease or something like that. I have to do an inner corner highlight, and I'm just going to use a pencil brush like this, Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going to grab the shade Helia here and put that in the inner corner. Just like that, and there you go, a one shadow eye look that is still like a bold shadow, but it didn't take you any time. Very simple, and this is a great way to kind of integrate bold colors into your makeup as well. So I went ahead and added some mascara, added my lip product that I'm going to wear today as well. And that is it. So I showed you guys 3 different minimal but effective ways you can add color into your makeup routine if you want to get into color, but you want to do it in a subtle way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this has helped you out there who may want to wear color but really didn't know how to start. I hope this helped you. Please make sure you're subscribed if you like this video. Also, I would love it if you guys follow me on Instagram. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.